My name's Bradley. I'm the head engineer here at Simplicity Group. I've been here approximately 18 months and it's just a great place to be with wonderful people. My role here at Simplicity Group would be to help advise on the best solutions possible for our customers, whether it be a cloud-based solution or a PBX solution. I would also conduct surveys, plan the installations, complete the installations, and then going forwards we would help maintain the customer where it needs to be. On an average day here at Simplicity Group, it's always very busy. My diary is fully rammed. I could be up north all the way down south. I could be conducting surveys, meeting with customers on site and ensuring a smooth transition during the installation. We would then continue to help and maintain with customer service and a high level of performance. I enjoy putting a plan in place and implementing that plan to help improve the customer's experience throughout the change of systems. Sites would vary, but I can be involved from the very beginning at a sales meeting all the way through to installation, including surveys, configuration details and dealing with third-party IT companies. Pretty much everything I would be involved with or have a part in from start, finish and beyond. For any of your telecoms needs, please don't hesitate to be in touch with us here at Simplicity Group. We are here to help.